Deep within the wooded hills of the São Paulo countryside in Brazil, Pinheiro Farm stands as a testament to architecture's capacity for dialogue with time. Originally built in the 1980s as the headquarters of a working farm, this residence carries with it layers of history. In the recent restoration led by Equipe Lamas, the core of this architectural narrative has been thoughtfully reclaimed and reinterpreted for contemporary life, while maintaining its poetic bond with the surrounding landscape. The design begins with preservation. Rather than imposing a wholly new structure, the architects chose to retain key elements of the original building. The clay roof, protective eaves, and the characteristic U-shaped plan remain intact. This decision establishes a continuity between past and present, grounding the house in its own story even as it adapts to new rhythms of living. At the heart of the residence lies the kitchen, a space reimagined as the central pivot of daily life. Positioned between the dining room and the more relaxed living areas, it opens generously toward an interior patio. Wide sliding glass and wood doors dissolve the boundary between indoors and garden, inviting light and movement into the core of the home and reinforcing a fluid sequence of spaces. Enlarged window frames, preserved in their vernacular green color, allow gentle air and abundant light to circulate. These apertures act as living lenses, framing the landscape beyond and grounding each room in its environmental context. Here, the architecture and its environment exist in a reciprocal relationship, neither dominating nor receding, but open and receptive to one another. The interior atmosphere is one of calm and balance. A curated interplay of furniture, modernist pieces, family heirlooms, and contemporary designs by Samuel Lamas himself creates a measured dialogue between simplicity and warmth. White walls act as a quiet backdrop, allowing color and form to emerge subtly through art and furnishings without overpowering the architectural essence. Throughout the interior, material choices speak quietly, yet with presence. Locally sourced hydraulic tiles in earthy tones cover the floors, visually linking the interior zones while reflecting the soil of the region. Warm, natural materials are introduced in the bedrooms and bathrooms, where Peroba wood flooring replaces older slate and white Brazilian marble and solid pine lend tactile clarity. Beyond the walls, the landscape architecture by Fausto Maule extends the home into its natural setting. Native plantings that bloom year-round draw birds and animate the horizon, dissolving the visual and experiential boundary between the cultivated and the wild. In this transformed yet memory-rich dwelling, each design gesture reveals an attentiveness to light, matter, time, and place.